everyone, and welcome to the channel. So my name is Talisha, also known as CreativiTeeByT, and today I am going to share with you a fabric haul that I went on in Los Angeles. So the story behind that is I recently went to Los Angeles for vacation, and my mother has never gone to the Los Angeles Fabric District, so I thought I would take her. So we drove over from San Diego over to Los Angeles and just shared that experience with her. She was super overwhelmed, as anyone would be when you're surrounded by that much fabric for the first time. I honestly don't think she made a purchase because she was overwhelmed, but she definitely wants to come back, or go back I should say. I promised myself I wasn't gonna make like a big huge purchase because I have made many purchases and I have many yards of fabric right now, and so I didn't need a whole lot. But I did have one thing in mind that I wanted to get, and that was some faux fur that I left behind the last time that I went, because I ended up getting a different one, which I did want and I still want, but I want this in addition. So I got it, right? I can do that. So I will show you that fabric, and then I will also show you a clip first. I will show you a clip first of our little outing, just a short little clip, let you know what it looked like and which fabric store I got my fur from, and then I will show you all the fabrics that I picked up. Well, we've made it to the fabulous fabric and fashion district, Mama.
You guys running me over?
What you think?
I wonder who put your shoes on today.
Are you excited to start shopping?
Did Daddy do that?
I know, right? I did one time, but I'm back.
So we're just waiting on my oldest son to park, and then we're gonna get started on this journey. This is my mother's first time. This is my sister's first time. Hello? So I pretty much came to the fabric district today to show my mother, because she's never been to the West Coast and she's never been to the fabric and fashion district here in Los Angeles. So I'm here to show her, give her a good time. And then the last time I was here, I bought some fur and I didn't get the one that I really wanted, so I am going to pick that up today as well. So I'll just show you a little bit of what we looked at, and then I'll show you that fur. So I found some fabric that I like. It's this. This will be good for fall. They have different colors: the blue, the green, neon green, and it's like bumblebee. I'm gonna ask and see how much that is. And I like this too. Florals, and it's got some bling on here.
Okay, one red, right?
Yep. So here it is, my skunk fur. Now I like it. Couldn't quit thinking about it. And yeah, they have a similar one like this at Joann's, but it's cream, and this is white with the little skunky looking thing. So I am gonna get that because I want to make me 3 faux fur coats for the winter. Yeah, isn't this wonderful? Yep. That's all she needs. So I will show you the faux fur first. So this here is the faux fur, and I love it. And I do plan on making this for the winter. And I have seen some faux fur that looks similar to this at Joann's, but the issue is that this white is cream at Joann's, and I wanted this to be like white. So I am excited to have this. And this was $20 a yard, and I got 2 yards of it. And then I picked up some tropical fabric for my aunt. So these tropical fabrics are not for me, but my aunt wanted some tropical fabrics, and this is one print, has some big tropical leaves, and this is a knit. So I thought this was nice. And then I picked up this one. This is also a knit, and this is more like a ITY. Let's see if I can get a better, yeah. So I got those two for her, and then I will show you what I got for myself. Now these next ones all were like a super bargain. Because I did not want to overdo it, I restricted myself and said I was only going to pick up the inexpensive fabric, and I can make wearable muslins with them, and more than likely, I mean, that's what they will be, and they will look great, and they won't even look super cheap. But I only paid $2.99 per yard for all this fabric. It's like 58 inches wide. They're all woven, and I got 3 or 4 yards of each. I can't remember now. So I will go ahead and show you those next. So this first one is I'm not really sure what it is, but it has a beautiful drape. And I initially got this for my aunt, but then I remembered that she wanted a knit. And this is in the tropical family. It feels like a gauze of some sort. So I can make something very drapey with this, and it's very cool, like very light and cool. Then I picked up this plaid green and black fabric. This has a really nice drape to it, and I really like this. Again, this was only $2.99 a yard. I mean, I'm gonna have some cute wearable muslins. I don't have any blue like this in my stash, so I picked up this. And this is like a royal blue and black. And it has small lines in between. So that's gonna be super cute. And then I picked up this black and bumblebee yellow. I really like this, so yeah. So I'm thinking definitely fit and flare, and I would probably go for like more of a circle skirt versus gathers. But I'm really loving this. Just hope I can match up those lines. Well, anyway, let me know what you think below. So let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite one that I purchased, and what can you see yourself making in something like this, or what should I make with it? Like I said, I mean, I am okay with making anything and exploring and experimenting with different patterns with these fabrics, because it was only $2.99. I mean, really, can you get any cheaper than that? Most of the time, no. So I'm good with that. But the only downfall is that I picked fabrics that have stripes. Mine is the tropical one, so I have to worry about matching up those lines, and that is not my favorite thing to do. But yeah, thought I would share that with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the little show and tell. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, thanks for sticking with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.